I've been wanting to get my health in better condition. My big wake up call was me and my wife went to a Post Malone concert up here in the Woodlands, and like when you park, there's quite a bit of walk to the venue, and my legs were just felt like they were going to explode. It was embarrassing. Like we had to stop and take breaks, and I was like, I need a change. And then my wife mentioned to me like, you have Noom as a benefit through work, like just give it a shot. And I did, and it just opened up my mind just so much, and I've just been preaching it ever since. I'm at 65 pounds down. It's been just a life changer. It's helped me in so many ways, from even helping my wife out. Since I'm the cook, she's lost 40 pounds just by me changing up how I cook. I love Noom. I mean, it's just, like I said, it's been great.